If you're here, you're probably familiar with polynomials. You may know that we can add, subtract, and multiply polynomial expressions using algebra. This video is about how to divide polynomials. We've got 3 examples, each getting a little more difficult. Dividing polynomials is an important skill. You use it to find remainders and to factorize polynomials, which both help you solve a wide range of problems. Essentially, this is another useful tool to add to your mathematical toolbox. Let's quickly refresh long division with numbers first, because then it might be easier to understand polynomial long division. If you haven't learnt long division before, you're in for some fun. Let's divide 107 by 3. Setting up the long division looks like this. This is the number that's being divided. The mathematical term for this is the dividend. This is what you're dividing by. The mathematical term for this is divisor. Unlike vertical addition, subtraction, or multiplication, which work from right to left, you work from left to right for division. You start by asking how many 3's go into 1? Well, none. If this happens, you simply ask how many 3's go into 10? 3. You write this here. Line it up with the 0. Really important to line it up, otherwise you can confuse yourself. Now you multiply 3 by 3, which is 9, and you write it here. Now you do a takeaway to get 1. Then you bring down the next digit and you repeat the process. How many 3's go into 17? 5. You write that here. 3 by 5 is 15. Write that here and do a takeaway. You get a 2. 3 doesn't go into 2. You're done. This is your remainder. This is your quotient. So 107 divided by 3 is 35 remainder 2, or 35 plus 2/3, or 35 and 2/3. The result of every division will have the form quotient plus remainder over divisor. Obviously, you can convert this to a decimal, but we've specifically avoided that because we don't really use decimals in polynomial long division. Alright, let's apply this to polynomials. We'll divide x squared plus 22x plus 3 by x minus 1. We made this one on purpose because it links to the long division we just did. Setting the long division up. What's different now is that both the dividend and the divisor are algebraic expressions, polynomials. That's why it's called polynomial long division. We recommend that you approach it this way. You're trying to cancel out terms from left to right. So you need to ask yourself, what can you multiply x minus 1 by to get x squared? The answer is x. Don't worry about anything else, they will take care of themselves. Trust the process. So we write x up here, and we multiply x minus 1 by x. Hopefully you see the links to numerical long division as we do this. This gives us x squared minus x, and we write that here. Keep everything lined up neatly. Now do a takeaway. We recommend you use brackets so that you deal with negatives correctly. We get 23x, then bring the plus 3 down, repeat the process. We're trying to get rid of the 23x, so ask yourself, what do you have to multiply x minus 1 by to get 23x? Positive 23. Write that here. Then x minus 1 multiplied by 23 gives you 23x minus 23. Do a takeaway. We get a remainder of 26. Your quotient is x plus 23, and remainder is 26. X squared plus 22x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 is x plus 23 plus 26 over x minus 1. Now check this out. If we let x equals 4, then x squared plus 22x plus 3 over x minus 1 becomes 107 over 3. And x plus 23 plus 26 on x minus 1 becomes 27 plus 26 on 3, which is 27 plus 8 2/3, which is 35 2/3. It's all true. Pretty cool, right? Let's do another division. This time we use a cubic. What is 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3? Here's the long division. Enjoy the music. This means that 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x squared, take 4x plus 10 minus 31 over 2x plus 3. One more. Let's look at how to divide x cubed plus 5 by x plus 2. Pay attention to this one. If you try to set it up normally, you might run into some problems in your working out. So if you have terms missing, like x squared and x in this case, write them in with a coefficient of 0. Let's do the division now. So x cubed plus 5 over x plus 2 is x squared, take 2x plus 4 minus 3 on x plus 2. Now is the best time to try these. Pause the video, give them a go, and check your answers in the description. We hope that we've given you a good introduction to polynomial long division. If you would like to see more polynomial long division, let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. We're constantly making new content. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.